contact mo, di ba?
Tama, Papa Jack.
If you need to do this one thing, go to her. Kahit hindi ka patuloyin sa pintuan nila. Look into her eyes. Maybe she can look straight into your eyes. Diba? And she can tell you, na June, it's over. I don't want to grow old with you anymore. Diba? I want to build a life. I want to start a life with someone else. At least, narinig mo yan. It might break your heart, diba? It will break your heart. Diba? It might feel like it's the end of the world pag narinig mo yan. Tama, mali?
Tama, Papa Jack.
But you know, June, sometimes goodbyes are necessary. There are times sa buhay natin na we really have to say goodbye. For a greater reason. Maybe someone else out there is meant to be with you. I don't know. But it's up to you to discover that along the way. Alright?
Papa Jack.
Hindi madali ang pinagdadaanan mo, June. That's 7 years. Oh my God. Halos isang dekada. And I can feel that you love her so much. Tama, mali?
Sobra, Papa Jack.
It's not easy losing someone that you love the most. Diba?
Tama.
But it's not the end of everything pag nawala siya. Diba?
Hindi. Tama, Papa Jack.
You can start anew. Niniwala ko dyan. And you will be a better person. Kung ito kinaya mo, ito kakayanin mo, ano pa ang hindi kakayanin ni June?
Salamat, Papa Jack.
I believe in you. I think you have a good heart loving this person for 7 years, doing everything you can. Hindi man siguro lahat nagawa mo kasi nagkahiwalay kayo. Hindi man lahat ng ideas na ipangako mo at nagawa para sa kanya. But you love the girl for 7 years, di ba? And that's so much, di ba? And that's a dedication. Next time that you love again, maybe you can give the same dedication, even more, sa taong mamahalin mo. I wish you happiness in life, June.
Ano, Papa Jack, hindi naman sa sadya. Matakot na ako magmahal na ganun.
Normal yan.
Binigay ko yung 100% ko sa isang girl. Tapos, dadaan yung next girl. Siyempre, Papa Jack, matatakot na rin ako magbigay ng 100% ko.
June!
Oo, bali, wala lang.
June!
Yes, Papa Jack.
Normal yan. Normal yan. Pag nagmahal ka ulit at dumating yung tamang girl sa'yo, you will disregard your fear because you will love again even more than this one. If the right girl comes along, maniwala ka sa akin, you will disregard your doubts and fears in love and in life. Because you will love again even more than this one. Because you will be a better person. You already know what's wrong, what's right, diba? What need to be done and what's need not to be done. Tama, mali?
Tama.
7 years, that's enough training for you to love someone maybe the better way. Tama, mali?
Tama.
It's okay to be bitter for a while. It helps you to move on. Okay lang yung maging bitter ka for a while. Magalit ka for a while. If you cannot help it, sige, okay lang. That's okay. Naniniwala ako na magmamahal ka ulit. Someone will come along your way. Imposibleng wala. Believe me. Pag na-meet mo siya, drop by. I wanna meet you in person. Okay?
Papa Jack.
Maraming salamat sa pagtawag, June.
Maraming salamat, Papa Jack. Drop by ako dyan, Papa Jack, pag-uwi akong Pilipinas.
Thank you so much, pre.
Salamat, Papa Jack.
Mga kaibigan, si June straight all the way from Australia. Habang nakikinig yung mga kangaroo. Kausap natin. Alungkot naman, 7 taon. Pambihirang buhay ito. Ay! My God.